You want to learn how to reverse muscle up. Let me show you how. So step one, you want to do explosive, right? Start off with clean if you can't, but if you can do explosive, pull yourself up as much as you can, as high as you can. If you can get the bar to your waist, perfect. You want to practice that because this builds the foundation. This is how you get the explosive strength to bring yourself over the bar. 2, train the transition. You want to, once you've got your pull-ups, your high pull-ups, the hardest part is moving your wrists, flipping your wrists over the bar and moving. So once you've got your pull-ups, you want to jump, right? You want to jump. You want to aggressively get your chest over that bar, right? To train that movement, because that's what this is all about. We got some technique tips. Step 3, when you put it all together, make sure elbows are tucked, right? We're doing an explosive pull and a big lean, right? Make sure as you do a normal muscle up, right, you don't come over the bar and flare out. You keep them tucked. Same thing, keep them tucked, right? Because if you don't, you'll get stuck under the bar, right? If you flare out like that, you'll get stuck under the bar. What you want to do is bring it, tuck, big lean, and then that's it. So a quick checklist before attempting. You want explosive pull-ups, right? If you can bring your chest to the bar or to your waist, even better. And then you want confidence with leaning over the bar. You want to pull it all together, explosive, lean. Make sure you've got that wrist movement and you'll get that muscle up. I know a lot of people are trying to get the muscle up. I know a lot of people want to get the muscle up. Even if you're not interested in calisthenics, that's okay. So what I've done is I've written a 4-week course, I guess. So I've written a 4-week course, right, to help you achieve the muscle up. For those that don't care about calisthenics, they just want to get the muscle up, this is for you. And best part is, it's free. So for those that want to get that muscle up, that's for you.